Amid the latest COVID-19 resurgence, Shenzhen, a manufacturing hub in South China, has allowed businesses in 5 districts to resume operations. The resumption comes after the halting of transmission of COVID-19 in communities of the districts. The city has ordered the implementation of differentiated epidemic prevention and control measures for enterprises there, to ensure orderly production and operation. In Dapeng New District, all 64 industrial enterprises above designated size have resumed production and operation.
差异化的安排对我们这种疫情防疫物资生产企业来说是一件非常好的事情，能够非常有效地保障我们订单的交付率。
我们也实行了半封闭式的一个管理，重点场所也安排了专人进行1级防护的一个消杀。比如说我们的入境的一个原物料，总共呢目前是已经有130名的一个员工到岗了。那我们的设备也已经马力全开，产能呢恢复到了日常的一个水平。
In Yantian District, a major foreign trade port has opened green channels for cargo vessels by using the automatic vessel identification system, unmanned aerial vehicles, among others.
我们克服疫情带来的人力资源困难，推动优化进出港作业流程。
Shenzhen has conducted 3 rounds of citywide all-inclusive nucleic acid testing since March 14.